Hello guys, welcome once again to my math class, and today let me introduce you to integration. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing and following, and let's solve this together. Now, integration is one of the topics that students find very difficult, but I'm going to introduce it in a very special way that you are going to like integration. Yeah. Okay, so in this case, once we have this very question on the board, we have this an integral sign, integral of 6x squared minus 5 then dx. Okay, now let me tell you how you can start integrating in case this is your first time of integrating. Now let's say for example you have that y is equals to x to the power of n. Integration is very simple. It is the opposite of what you do in differentiation. Now let's differentiate this. Now if you are to differentiate this, you have that dy all over dx is equals to x, the whole number here will multiply x, we have nx to the power of n minus 1. Okay, now let me tell you what we did. Here we subtracted 1, then here we multiply. We do the opposite. Here we subtracted in differentiation. If it is integration, we add. Now here we multiplied. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we divide. That's just it. Now, so since we differentiated this and have what is it called, and have nx to the power of n minus 1. Now what if you ask to integrate, you're given dy all over dx is equals to x to the power of n. Let's say you are given this, and the first thing you're going to do is remove this dx, because you are integrating in terms of x. Usually whenever you see an integral question, usually at the end you see dx, so that's why you have to remove this thing here. It will come here, and once you do that, we'll have that dy is equals to n to the power of s to the power of n dx. So in this case, we can now apply integral signs. You can put your integral symbols in each of them. Now when we integrate dy, we are left with y, so we have y is equals to, now when we integrate x to the power of n, we have x. Now from the power here, we did subtraction. Here we add, we say n plus 1. That is the opposite. From here we multiplied, we divide. Now we now say we divide by the power n plus 1. Then you can now put a constant c. This is the answer to the question. You have just integrated this very problem. That's just it. It's very easy to do. Alright, let's quickly solve this other problem. Now I can clean the board. Let me get a duster. Okay, now since we have this very problem, we have many methods of integration. We have general method, we have integration by substitution, we have integration by parts, we have integration by perfect square, partial fraction. Many of them, we have different ways you can integrate. Alright, so let's use a general method here. In the general method, you can simply integrate it straight. So this will give us that integral of, you can take the integral of each side. We have 6 x squared. This is minus, okay, we'll add the x to it, dx minus integral of 5 dx. So something like this. You can actually remove the constant terms. So the constant term here is 6. We have 6 integral of x squared dx minus, the constant here is 5 integral of dx, and that's just it. So therefore the next thing we're going to do is we can now integrate. When we integrate this, we have 6 into, when we are going to integrate x squared, the power here is 2. We have x raised to the power 2 plus 1. Add 1 to it all over. You divide by the power 2 plus 1. Close the bracket, minus. When we integrate the x, we are left with x. Remember in the other example I did before, when I integrated the y, I have y. When you integrate the x, you have 5, you have x. So we are left with 5 into x. So therefore 2 plus 1 is 3. So we should have 6 into x to the power of 3 all over 3 and minus 5x. So we can just put 5x, simply open the bracket. Now 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our final answer is 2x raised to the power 3 minus 5x plus c. Don't forget to put the constant c. That's just the trick in integrating. Now the place you don't need the constant c is when you have limit. Here we don't have a limit. So when you have a limit, you can decide not to put the constant again. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to share with your friends. And I will see you in the next class. Thank you.